this point we're just going to be messing with it. So we'll make some space, because any changes carried out here now will be applied to the page on the left in real time. We can see the changes immediately. Okay, let's paste in what I've just copied. There it is. Now that is the ID tag for that table surrounding all those images. So for example, to target an ID tag, we don't use a dot in front of the label here. We use a hash, and you see those quite often. So a hash and then that ID tag is the identifier for the table surrounding these images. So let's just type in our little style, and it was going to be display none. Now, did I put a semicolon there? I did, so let's give it a colon. And voila, the entire table has vanished. It's gone. Now we don't want the whole table to go, we just want the images to go. So I'm going to type img after that. Now the images are gone and the table is back, because we've targeted images inside this table. Hide all, display none, hide all images inside the table. However, that has now hidden both the help icon and the required field icon, and that's what we don't want to have happen. So this is where we're going to get a little bit tricky. Let's copy this, Control C, because that'll vanish when I close this little window, and this all reappears. So I've just copied that. And let's examine where exactly these two images reside. So that image resides, there it is. It is sitting inside a link, of course, because it is a link, and it's sitting inside a label. And the label is sitting inside a span, and the span inside a div, and so on up the tree inside another div, inside a table cell. And the table cell, as we can see up there, I don't know if you can see that, encompasses both of those images. So let's scroll back down, and we can see that the label here encompasses the username label and the help icon image. So there's a clue already. Now let's examine this image. Right click on it, inspect element, and here we go, image. It's sitting inside an input. Oh no, it's sitting to the side of an input. It's not even in it. Well, it's sitting on its own, and that's sitting inside a div, sitting inside, and that's the label over there. No, so really it's not sitting inside anything. It's sitting inside a div. Well, if we could target on this side, if we could target the image sitting inside a label and hide just all images within labels within this table, we would hide those icons and not those. So let's do that. Okay, let's open the web developer add-on, go to the portal CSS, make our space again, paste that in, and bingo, all the images vanish. So now what were we going to do? We're going to target the images, we read from the right, image inside label inside that table ID, right? So all images inside labels inside this table ID, hide them. And let's go and see what's happened. Look, there we go. Those images are gone and those images are back using that little style. Now comes the, you could always do this anyway, and so far we haven't even used the CSS editor, and so now comes the tricky bit. How do we then apply this to the website? You might use, we'll cut it out, you might use your Expression Web or Dreamweaver or something or other to handle that, but or FTP, but all of that's a bit of a drama. The nice, quick and easy way to do that now is hop over to your CSS editor, make yourself some space, paste it in, click apply. Yes, we want to apply that. Go back to the website, close these items, Control F5 to refresh the page. That forces the style sheets to be refreshed. And there we go, we've just hidden the little help icons on this form without hiding the other ones over there on the right. The same thing could possibly be done here for the password form. Obviously there would be a table with an ID that surrounds that as well. And that's a very quick and easy way to deal with that. If we decided we did not like that change, or we made a mistake, we can now use the upgraded feature here, retrieve last, and that retrieves the last saved, the one just before, without that style in it, and we can apply that and basically undo the change we've just made. And I'll Control F5 to refresh, and here the label's back again. Very easy. So there we go. That's really all there is to it. It's a big field. You do have to know about styles. You don't really have to know all of the syntax for how to write the styles, because it's pretty easy to just go through and copy, make the change, paste it, apply it, and try it out, including even using the Firebug add-on. It's not that hard to find your style, and if you decide you want bigger text, see, I'm just using the arrow keys to flip up and down through the text size. If you decide you like that size, you can simply select and copy what you've just changed, go back to the editor, make yourself some space, paste it in, and clean it up. You've actually got to remove that little piece up there, which is the location of that style. Apply it, and you're done. If I apply that, yes, I've now, and if I Control F5 refresh this, it will keep that font because we've applied that now to the Portal CSS. There we go. That's now permanently on the site. We can change it again if we want, but that's how easy it is to find a style, find something and change it, and then apply it again, all without any other tools. I hope that made some sense, and maybe you'll consider purchasing the CSS editor on Snowcovered. It's very cheap and a lot of fun. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.